Hey guys, before I get to the G6, there's one very special shout out I missed, and that's SoFlo RC Life. Great guy, so go check him out and ask him about his other stuff as well. Hope you enjoy the show. Hey guys, so here we are at Warsaw Conservation Area for the G6 Canada. So let's go and see what kind of crawlers they got going. Woo! Show off. Very cool. Hey, it's great. Josh smells.
I figured why
Bigfoot,
not?
is that a clodbuster?
You're...
So who's all here today?
I'm Chris.
Yeah. Hey Chris.
I'm Dana.
Dana.
Matt, how you
Matt, how you doing? Who's behind the whole booth here? That would be you. What's your name, sir?
Dana.
Dana? And how long you been into crawling?
7 years?
7 years?
7, 8 years.
Nice,
Nice.
nice. Are you guys all done for the day or just taking a break?
Just taking a break.
So cool. This is so cool.
Yeah, you look back at RCs back in the day and you don't realize it when they first come out. Bigger spikes are going to
Right.
Yeah. Wait for the claws to come out of the tires there. Remember those?
The animal.
The animal. Yeah. A long way.
Oh, no kidding. Okay, well, this went from crawling to monster truck convention. That thing is sick. Where'd you get it?
Extreme RC.
Extreme RC?
Yeah.
So what do you got extra on this guy?
Winch, rims and tires, lift. I got the front aftermarket billet grill and the aftermarket billet skid plate. Racing first.
Did you, yeah?
10 scale. And then a couple buddies had crawlers and I ended up buying a TRX4 Defender.
Nice.
I've had 2 Red Cats now and they're great trucks.
So would you recommend this over a TRX4 Sport?
No.
No, I'd go for the Sport. Because we're
TRX4s, they don't compare to anything. Like Traxxas is the best. My Defender, I beat that truck for 2 years crawling and never stripped a gear, never blew a dry shaft, nothing. Like it's just a great truck. This thing here, I love this truck. Like,
it's a beauty rig, man.
Yeah.
It is very nice.
My Blazer though, I'm afraid to run it. Like I'm afraid to scratch it, and
yeah, that's
I
your
just gotta
baby.
let that go though. Like
Yeah, I'm in the market for a crawler now. Everything I have right now is just nitro. I got 2 nitro cars.
Street nitro.
I've been in the hobby for like, God, 30 plus years,
Yeah.
and I got out of electric and got into nitros, and now with today's technology, man, different now, man.
I ran this truck all day on one LiPo battery so far.
Right.
So
It's different now,
it
man.
is different.
Hey, man, thanks for
Yeah,
stopping and chatting with me. This is something else, man.
I want to make the stack smoke still.
Oh, that would be
Oh, you don't have a
amazing.
smoke kit yet?
No.
Ah, well,
I want to try and build one out of a vape.
that
seen
would be
one where
They
they
have,
have
they
some-
have
good
their own
idea.
power source.
It's a good idea. What's your name, man?
Matt.
Matt?
Yep.
I'm Jay from RC Recreation. Whose Suburban is this?
His.
Wow. It's going to be late 60s, early 70s for sure. 72? Great.
It looks like it got
I was going to say, it looks a little chopped. Very cool. And we got our unbranded Gen 7 over here. By the looks of it, you need that little medical kit on top.
Oh, definitely. She's a little top heavy, but we have fun.
Right on, right on. How you doing, bro?
Not too bad yourself?
Not too bad. My name's Jay. I'm from RC Recreation on YouTube.
Yeah. We're Crawler Konceptz.
Sorry, Crawler Konceptz. Oh,
So we
right.
do the scale license plates, the banners, the wraps on the radio, anything vinyl. So
Right on.
do that. We do custom plates, like
Nice.
it even has the inspection sticker on the window.
Oh, that is cool.
You know, the stripes, we make all the stripe kits for them as well.
Very cool. So that'd be like similar to the stripe pattern that you
That you
see on
see
this
on this
actual
real
truck.
one,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's awesome. And how do people get a hold of you if they want something done?
Facebook page would probably be the easiest.
Yeah.
Crawler Konceptz.
Crawler
On
Konceptz on
Facebook
Facebook.
Yeah,
Okay, you
we're
hear that,
also on
guys?
Instagram We're also or crawler konceptz at hotmail.com.
All right. What's your name, sweetheart?
Lily.
Lily. And are you a crawler? Yeah. And what's your favorite crawler? That one? Yeah. Nice. She's beauty, bud. Well
Good job,
done.
man.
We're here at the G6 with netcruzer from YouTube. Hello, good to meet you, bud.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And so everybody head over to netcruzer, check them out, give them a thumbs up, give them a subscribe.
705 Toys.
705 Toys. Head over on to 705 Toys.
Yeah, it's all RC.
Have a good day today, guys. That thing is awesome.
Built it all out of styrene.
What's she on, a TRX?
SVX10 2.
We got a Cherokee. Give me a challenge. That thing is awesome. Mock motor?
Like an old Cummins style.
Yeah,
with a big
man.
cat motor in there.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Going into the jungle.
Here we go.
Here comes the convoy. Oh, collision. Tumble wumble.
So I got the blazer out now.
Beauty.
Blazer.
There we go. I'm sure you recognize this guy.
How you doing,
How's it
guys?
going, Tank?
I lost my pole pal, homemade pole pal that I made, and now I just found it in the ground, and they're hard to find because same color as the ground.
Oh yeah, man.
But good thing
Wow,
I know
look at that
I
thing.
noticed the brazing. So the brazing,
There you go. I gave it away.
I saw the brazing on the ground, and I said, "Oh, nice
There
and
you
flashy."
Where's your rig?
It's right there. That one I've used for years. That's an SCX10 with a honcho back and a Wraith interior with a Jeep front end.
She conquered all the
Me
gates
and
so
my
far.
son have not hit a gate yet,
Nice.
so we've done very good.
Very good.
And
Oh,
usually
I
this, I just keep it with a magnet. I got a magnet here and magnet down there. So, but because I did the tumble, it actually fell off. And I do have a chain.
So you said
But-
they've been turned around?
I got magnets underneath, so see it sticks.
Oh, that's
So
awesome.
it just stays there.
That's a great idea.
You took your winch and you did it. Good job.
Nice Gen 8.
Thanks.
Right out of the box?
Yeah.
Right on.
Right out of the box, and we're doing the G6. No modification needed.
Nice, man. Sound kit?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, it's got a 450.
Yeah.
I was gonna go with the sound kit, but then I thought I'd just go cheap and go with the real 54.
Why not? Why not?
There we
There
go.
we go.
11. I don't think that's happening. That looks too dangerous. I'm watching that. I'm watching that.
Oh no, on camera too.
On camera.
That wasn't so bad. Oh, he made that look easy. Nicely done. Here comes Aaron. Nice, nice, nice. Very smooth. Didn't even spill a drop of coffee. Come on. Atta boy. You're good, you're good. Good job, man. Good job. Great turnout. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Rescue team!
The body.
Oh! We got an on-site repair going on.
Anyways, I got the princess.
There you you go. On the road again. Nice save.
That was what shit luck, man.
What's your body? What's the color?
It's the 66 Ford Bronco Proline one.
Bronco, okay.
It's got the full interior on it.
Right, old 60s Bronco.
I won a competition in Michigan.
Did you?
A drawing
What'd you win it with?
with it was 2 years ago. It was the G6.
G6?
Yeah, the Axel G6.
Okay, axial, yeah, okay.
Because if I go
Pretty
straight,
narrow.
I might hit it.
Oh,
Step
man.
might be okay.
It's like
I'm
like
gonna
a
be okay,
glove.
but Step is gonna hit.
It's like it was made for your rig,
you go.
man. Look
Can
at
see my
that.
legs.
What a shot.
Pardon me. Oh no.
Reste au milieu, c'est correct.
Make the right away.
Non. Reste au milieu, mais attention un petit peu plus sur le côté, là, parce que où est-ce que lui est, ça va de côté. Ouais.
Je vais tomber.
Tu tomberas pas, tu restes sur le pont, tu tomberas pas.
You guys probably can't tell, but this is quite the incline on this bridge. The decline, I should say.
That's a mini-me in this car.
It is mini U.
Yeah. I used to have glasses.
There's
but
Tank.
Mini tank. I used to have glasses on him, but I lost him. He went too wild.
That's awesome. What a great shot. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the sound, man.
Did you buy the body pre-painted or did you paint it yourself?
No, pre-painted. Oh, dude. Normally I do like a lot of customs and hand build the bodies. This one is mostly bought.
Is this a TRX?
Nope.
No, it's not.
So I should four-wheel drive.
I see color drive.
And then a whole bunch of like custom.
That's beautiful, man. Love it. Very cool. We're here with
Brock.
Right on, everybody. Go check out Brock's channel. He's here today at the G6 Canada, crawling with his beautiful, what year is this?
35, 79.
79, 80s. Suburban, right?
When these guys actually they play one pretty good.
What are we watching here, my friend?
Practice M41.
M41. Sweet.
Yeah. I had it over here yesterday. So.
It's got the dualies, K30.
Everybody's staring at me. That's funny.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice and clean in there.
Beautiful, man.
Actually, she's pretty clean in general.
How long did it take to build?
8 months.
That? Oh, that's amazing.
Is it full custom or is it built on something?
It's RC, all RC four-wheel drive. The only custom part is the box, pretty much.
Very
Chassis
nice.
trail. Box is extended front end.
Man, we had a good time out at the G6. Check out the G6 over on Facebook. Find out where their other events are going to be this year. If you can't make any of those events, then book your time for next year. There's boating, there's bashing, there's crawling. It's not just for crawlers. Everybody can have a good time. Book your time at the next G6 for sure. Until next time, guys, keep on RCing, keep on keeping on. Ciao.